I've pulled out all the stops for my Christmas week video. This week I'm going to be showing you all my favorite holiday syrups and how I pair them. Let's get started. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to all of y'all. By the time this video goes out, it should be on Christmas Eve. So if you're watching this, I hope that you're having a great Christmas holiday season, and I'm wishing you many blessings, happiness, and success. Thank you all for continuing to watch our videos and for all your support of me and Ryan and the channel. It really means a lot to us and we're grateful for you all. Today's video is going to be super exciting because I'm making 3 of some of my favorite holiday drinks from home. The first one I'm going to make is the Gingerbread Chai. I have my Tirani gingerbread syrup here. I have my Taza chai from Target, and I'm going to add oat milk on top of that. The second drink I'm going to make is a classic that I hope they bring back at Starbucks this year, but it's not yet confirmed or guaranteed, so I'm just going to keep praying. But until then, I make a really, really good version of it from home. It might even be better. Is the Irish Cream Cold Brew. So I have my Tirani Irish Cream here, and then I just have some Stough's Unsweet Black Cold Brew that I also got from Target. This is my favorite Stough's flavor too. And then last but not least, I'm going to make a Smores Latte using the toasted marshmallow syrup from Monin. I have some Hershey's chocolate syrup. I have my oat milk, and then of course I have my whipped cream to go on top. So the first drink I'm going to start off with is the Gingerbread Chai, and then I'll get into the rest of the drinks. Okay, so I have everything here that I need to make the Gingerbread Chai. So I'm going to start off by just pouring. I'm going to shake it up first, and I'm going to pour the chai over ice. Until right about there. I like a lot of chai and a little bit of milk. Some people like it more half and half, but I like more of 3/4 and 1/4. I need to open up this oat milk. Target was all out of the barista edition of this oat milk, so I just got the regular version, which works in a pinch, but the barista version is better. Right there. And then I'm just going to give this a stir. And then while that's getting nice and cold, I'm going to start with the star of the show, which is the gingerbread foam that's going to go on top. And all I'm going to do is squirt 1, 2, 3, 4 pumps of gingerbread in here. Then I'm going to shake up a little bit of heavy cream. And then I'm going to pour some of that in here. Till right about there. And then I'm going to shake up my oat milk again. And then pour a little bit of that on top. I need to go run and grab my milk frother. I'll froth this up and then pour it on top of the chai. I'm going to take it here. And then froth this up. Okay. I'm going to set this over here. And then I'm going to take my chai and just pour the foam on top. Oh my, that looks amazing. And now here's the gingerbread chai with oat milk. That's the first drink. We have 2 more to go. Okay, so the next drink I'm going to film is the Irish Cream Cold Brew, which is one of my personal favorites. And I really hope if Starbucks is watching this that you bring it back this year, please. So first things first, I'm going to use my Stough's Cold Brew. So I'm going to give this a little bit of a shake. I'm going to pour it over my whiskey stones. I love a good dark black cold brew. I'm going to pour it till right about there. And then same process really with all the cold foams. I'm just going to take this time my Irish cream. I don't have a pump for this one. I thought I ordered one, but I guess I didn't, so I'll have to get one a little bit later. But I'm just going to take a couple tablespoons. I have 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. Then I'm gonna shake up my heavy cream, add a little bit of heavy cream. If y'all haven't caught on by now, basically any cold foam is just whatever flavor you wanna add mixed with milk and heavy cream. I like to use oat milk, but 2% milk also works pretty good. And then I'm gonna take my handheld milk frother and froth it up. Last year, I also made an Irish cream latte using the Carolyn's Irish cream and some whiskey. And that was pretty good. I actually might bring that back this year. Okay, now that that's all mixed up, y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my cold foam and pour it on top of that cold brew. And boy, does that look amazing. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and get some cinnamon and then pour the cinnamon on top. So I'll be right back with the cinnamon. I'm back with my cinnamon. Don't come with me for how this comes out. It wouldn't be one of my videos if the cinnamon didn't come out all clumpy. But here you have the Irish Cream Cold Brew. Okay, so I'm back and ready to make the third drink, which is going to be a toasted s'mores cold brew. So I'm gonna start off I'm gonna start off by lining my cup with the chocolate. I already have some whiskey stones in there. I'm gonna take it, just go around the sides like that. Doesn't have to be fancy. The more chocolate, the better. So my cup is lined. I'm gonna shake up my cold brew. I'm gonna pour it up to right about there. Then in here, I'm going to take some chocolate. Some of my toasted marshmallow syrup. Gonna measure out 1, 2 tablespoons. And this stuff is gold. If you haven't ordered this, go to Amazon and order yourself some for your holiday drinks. And then I'm gonna shake up my oat milk really good. And I'm gonna pour a lot of oat milk over it. I'm gonna take my milk frother and then froth all of this up. So it should kind of look like a chocolate milk because that's essentially what it is. Oop. Spilling over just a little bit, but that's okay. And you just want to froth it until it's all mixed up. Then from here, I'm gonna let me wipe some of this up. I'm gonna wipe this up and then I'll come right back. Okay, so now it's time for me to pour the milk over the cold brew. Oop. Let me get another towel. Okay, this looks and smells really, really good. And then the last step we have here is, of course, to add the whipped cream on top. So you're gonna give it a shake. And there you have a toasted s'mores cold brew. And this looks amazing. Thanks for tuning in to another video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. I'll see y'all next time.